Hello students, welcome you all to my third lecture on the topic the Northern Mountain. In this class we will discuss about vegetation and importance of northern mountains. Let's start. There is sparse vegetation in the greater Himalayas. Here I have new word for your class, sparse, which means scattered, limited or thin. These include shrubs, mosses, lichen and wild flowers like blue poppies and edelweiss. The natural vegetation of the middle Himalayas consists of pine, oak, poplar, walnut, spruce, fir, FIR. Most of the students pronounce it as fir. That is not correct pronounce. FIR. Fir, cypress, juniper and birch. 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 This region has many orchards of apples, plums, peaches, pears, cherries and almond. The forest areas of the Terai region or the foothills of the outer Himalayas have been cleared to grow crops such as rice, sugarcane and wheat. The vegetation of this region consists of trees like kikar, sal, teak and bubble. The slopes of these mountains are used for agricultural purpose. This type of farming is called terrace farming. Hilly people usually do terrace farming. It is most welcome form of farming system in highlands. Now move forward to discuss about the importance of the northern mountains. For the following reason, the northern mountains plays very crucial role to India. The northern mountain act as a natural barrier protecting our borders. It stands like great wall protecting our nation from the enemies of our country. It prevents the cold winds of northern Asia from entering our country. If there is no northern mountain, then definitely we feel extreme cold. It is the northern mountain which block the cold winds from entering our country. Another important point is the forest in these mountains provide us with timber, medicines and other useful things. The northern mountains stop the monsoon winds from going further north, resulting in heavy rainfall in the plains of India. Many perennial rivers originating in these region not only provide us with water but also help us in generating electricity by constructing dams on them. For the above reason, northern mountain plays a very important role. Today's class is over. I will give you homework. Do this at home.